Fueling your ride. What's it all about? Your car's fuel system is like its heart. Just like your heart pumps blood, the fuel system delivers fuel. Without fuel, your car can't run. It's a network of parts working together. This system takes fuel from the tank. It mixes it with air. This mix helps the engine run. Understanding your fuel system is important. It can help you keep your car running smoothly. It can also save you money on repairs. From tank to engine. A journey of your car's fuel. The fuel system's journey starts at the fuel tank. The tank stores the gas. From there, the fuel goes through fuel lines. These lines are like pipes. The fuel pump pushes the fuel. It moves the fuel to the engine. Before reaching the engine, the fuel goes through a filter. This filter is important. It removes dirt and debris. This keeps the engine clean. Finally, the fuel reaches the engine. The engine uses it to produce power. Carb versus injection fuel delivery explained. There are two main types of fuel systems. These are carburetor systems and fuel injection systems. Carburetors are older. They mix fuel and air mechanically. Fuel injection systems are newer. They use sensors and computers. This allows them to control the fuel mixture precisely. This results in better fuel efficiency. Fuel injection is now the standard. It offers better performance. It also reduces emissions. Keeping your engine happy. Fuel system care. Regular maintenance is key. It keeps your fuel system healthy. One important task is changing the fuel filter. A clogged filter restricts fuel flow. This can reduce performance. Another important step is cleaning the fuel injectors. Over time, they can get clogged. This can cause the engine to run poorly. You should also check for leaks regularly. Leaks can be dangerous. They can also reduce fuel efficiency. By following these tips, you can extend the life of your fuel system.